Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I don't even know what you would call this. It's playing with the shadows in a way, and looks like a disc that would hold a ball or something. I don't think there's too much to think about except for making an ellipse. I'm going to go ahead and hit P, put it in the center of the page. In this case, it doesn't matter. Control D and make a duplicate. And with your two-sided arrow, bring that in. Then I'm going to hit T to put that on the top. Okay, I want a ring exactly that size. Let me see what my nudge factor is. This thing is 13 inches. I'm going to change my nudge factor to 15. I'm going to fill in that. I had white selected, and you'll see why in just a minute. Now that is a perfect ring the size of the inside. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Two-sided arrow and bring that in. Now I'm going to hit, a while ago I hit T, I'm going to hit B to put it to the bottom. Now, I actually want to get rid of this one ring because this other ring is duplicated. And there you go. Now we're going to take this. I don't know if you can hear that. My trying to read my disc hopefully is not audible. So I made that line a thicker line. Then I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And I'm going to go ahead and left click, but right click in white. Now you can't see it because it's on a white background, but we'll make it black, object, order, back a page. And now we can get our Smart Fill tool, set on red and fill in that and that. You know, I don't know that I got that. I must have made the outline white. We can very easily change that. Yep, there we go. Now select this outer ring and get your interactive fill tool and swipe across it and put dark on this corner. I'll need to take away that outline in just a second. Then grab that one and go the opposite direction. And if we take away, now that white line's not a line anymore, but I got a red stripe. So I'm going to right click the mouse to take away that line. I don't know what color would be the best if you printed this. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.